Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Trail-ready Modeler. In this video, we will make this large and blue bike. Yes, this is the one. And without wasting our time, let's get to it. First of all, we arrange the reference images correctly. Then we add a plane and merge them at center. Then we line up the vertices according to the reference image. And then we make a rough shape from it. Only body we need from the reference images. Then we will do the next work manually. After lining up all the vertices, then we can fill them one by one and make it a complete mesh. And fill it one by one. Subdivide some areas if you want, and if you see any problem, then fill them correctly and keep the topology plain and simple. Simple is not important, but keeping topology plain is more important. Then we line up the vertices from the top. Then extrude and fill them correctly. Then we line up the vertices from all sides to make it correctly. Then we slide the vertices of the seat and extrude them once, and then fill them one by one by extruding it from the tank side. Make the seat from front view, then we can set it from the side view. And if you see any overlapping vertices, merge them by distance, and then we won't get any overlapping mesh. But first focus on the modeling work, and then we can do that after when we're done. Then extrude it forward and make the wheel mud guard, and then make a rough shape from it. Delete some vertices where you don't want, and then extrude it correctly, and then we can move to the next one. Keep the mesh equal and then fill them one by one equally, and always look from the top view for correct mesh shape. Join the vertices where you want, where you see any problem of filling problem, and if it's a filling, then joining will fix the problem. And then fill the mesh and by extruding every side of vertex, and then fill them one by one like this, and not to eat the vertices from the body. Now add a circle with only 12 segments, and then scale and line up according to the reference images. This is the time we will do the main work. The mirror modifier to the tire, insert them and bevel it like this, and then move it a little outward, just a little, and then extrude it inward like this. Then set it like that and extrude it this, just like this. Now select one of these loops and then duplicate them and give it some solidness like this, and then scale the edges from the side and move them close like this, and scale the edge side, give it some solidness, scale this edge right here and this one, and now we're done. And now make it a separate object, use the spin tool, and then make it count 12 or any segment you want. And then set the shape according to your need and make it look a lot better. Okay, then add a looper and make a thread from it, extrude it inward, scale it like that. Okay, now our tire is complete. Now we have to mirror it. But first, join them as one piece like that, and then move it to the side, add another mirror modifier, and then to the left side, right and left side. Now select this part right here and then duplicate them like that, and then this will be the wheel mudguard like this, and scale it just like that, and then this will be automatically mirror, and then we can rotate it as we like. And now make it a separate object as well, add a mirror modifier with the y-axis and make it, or we can duplicate it and then duplicate the tires and rotate them as we like according to the back side of the read the minutes because we don't need them anymore. And now we will the best part, and the work we will do manually. Set them a little to the side and move it, adjust it down. And now select the loop of the main bike body, fill the open spaces, and then reinforcement from all sides like that, and then use the knife tool for correct loop just like this. Okay, we can make the tires a lot closer to each other, but do what we want, and then at this and right here and loop cut in the middle, keep the geometry simple, and then make any details in the body as you want. Okay, now our bike is missing a handle. Add much detail you want, but remember to don't make a mess. Okay, yeah, don't make a mess. Our bike is missing a handle. Now we have to insert this part and extrude it inward for a little bit of detailing. Now add a circle with less segments like that, and then rotate it like this and scale it. Move it next to the handle part, just like this, and then extrude it to the x-axis, but first fill them and extrude it to the side, and then right here rotate it, and then extrude it, like scale it, and then make a handle shape, and then insert again and make a complete handle. Like this. Now our handle is looking nice. Now we can select the part and rotate it as you like, and then rotate it from the side and from the top. Now leave the middle spaces, middle loop, and then we can convert this shape into a circle and read it with the handle like that, and make it a separate single object, and then we can bridge this two and this two and bridge them like that. Now our bike has a handle. Now make it a single object and make the seat correctly, just like this. Okay, the only thing we need is to add the detailing and the joint where our bike will stand the tires on as one piece. Now duplicate this shape and then extrude it forward like this, and then move it next to the wheel cover like that. To add more details, add one loop cut in the middle, then we can extrude and scale it like anywhere, add detail to it. After adding the detail and completing every modeling work, now we can move to the texture part. Texture is the main work. Now make the wheel cover and the body a single object and mirror the size to make it a single object. Like this, we can join it and it will mirror automatically. Now, the main work is to texture it, add an image texture, and add any image you want. I will use blue one and see what texture looks good. Then we can use that. Like this, I use this blue texture, blue image texture, and then set the UV from side, set it correctly, and then set the same image texture or the color palette we can use on the side to color it correctly. Use the part like from the tire black part, and then we can move the rest of them to the center. Now our tire match and match the texture and gives a nice look. And now select the wheel cover and we can do the same texture by selecting the UV. Now we can select the light, we just added in the detail, and then select the backlight as well. Color it in the red part of the image if it have any. Okay guys, this is the final result. I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.